how to turn off the Bambu Lab P2S chamber light. Now, my Bambu Lab P2S chamber light never went off even when I left it for hours. So let's go over to the display screen here, then press this little cog on the left hand side, then go to settings, come down slightly and you should see chamber light. Select this. Now we have two different modes. It tells you here manual mode. The printer will automatically turn on the chamber light only when light is needed during AI detection. Now if you're like me, my chamber light never ever turned off, even after hours. Then you have the second option, energy saving mode. The printer will turn off the lights when idle and turn them on when necessary. So I needed to select energy saving mode. Now I come back into the main settings and I selected auto sleep. Now you have a few options to choose from. I selected 2 minutes. Then you can go back to the home screen and let's have a look at the chamber. I'll speed this process up. After 2 minutes, my chamber light switches off. Now, if you touch the LCD screen or open the P2S door, the light will come on, as we can see. Now, the light does stay on when you're doing prints or anything like that. It just turns off when nothing is happening and your printer goes into idle mode after 2 minutes. However, like I said, when you're printing, the chamber light will stay on for the whole process of the print. Hopefully that helps you out how to turn off the Bambu P2S chamber light. If it does, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.